Hi everyone, I'm the Good Food Consultant. Welcome to my kitchen. This is a kitchen that I've been cooking in for the last 24 years, and my children have learned cooking from me in this kitchen as well, and learned to really enjoy food. They actually make food themselves every day. We make different type of food, different flavors. If you've got a cupboard full of flavors of the spices and herbs, the dry ingredients, or the other tinned ingredients, or the dried, like such as rice and pasta, you can create anything you like. You don't have to step outside the house. If you've got everything in the house, you can make whatever you like. I actually learned to do that through school and through my mom. My mom taught me the Indian food, and through my cooking classes at school, made me really passionate about food and learning how to appreciate the processes of cooking, which can be very, very rewarding. After that, I worked in the food industry because that's where I wanted to be, working with food, in laboratories, having my own food business, and also doing projects for local authorities, universities, various organisations, just inspiring people in every walk of life. This is my passion, and I want to pass that passion on to you, just to enjoy the food in all its forms, and then to create those dishes for yourselves and your family. So come on this food journey with me, and we will have fun along the way, and yeah, let's do it.